put it in. Okay, put it in. Okay, we're doing some more laminating here. I feel like my full-time job at this point is laminating, but I cut out all these flashcards for the Chinese ones with the Mandarin pinyin. These are animals, zoo animals, fruits, tools. Those ones are school supplies. So laminating these, and at the same time I'm cutting this little penguin out for this little ice skating activity. It is an investment that will pay off later, a time investment that will pay off later when we use these materials. Hey, turn your papers on the floor. It drops into the water. Okay, enough. I just laminated all the little penguins and then this big penguin for another activity, and I'm gonna cut them out and I'm gonna stick them on the popsicle sticks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this piece of foil over this. Okay, so it was a little bit hard to figure this part out. I don't know why it was harder than I expected, but good night, little penguins. You cleaning the bath? Good job. Okay. My little penguins are frozen, but this guy's frozen sideways. What are you doing, boo-boo? I'm gonna add some vinegar and let her dip them in there to make it a little bit more fun. And soda, and put them in the vinegar water. Over there. In the water. Like here. See magic? In the water. Put it in the other one, the muffin cup. Try it again, dip. Put it in a new one, like put it in this one. So dip and then put it in this one. So I took the sensory bins out since we're finished playing, and I make her wipe it down with this tiny spray bottle just to ensure she doesn't dump it out, because she always dumps it out. And then I give her a little cloth that I put just in that little basket. I make her wipe down her station because I want to start teaching her how to keep it tidy herself. Can you wipe it? Can you wipe the blue? Wipe the messy blue. So we just started this like 2 days ago. So I just make her wipe it down. I need more water. You need to put more water. Yeah. Wipe it now. Good job. feel like nobody ever shows the cleanup process of these sensory bins. They only ever show the sensory bins, and nobody shows the cleanup process. So it's quite easy for this one. You just rinse it. We're gonna wash them after. The bins are so good. These are the IKEA bins. Show you how easily these bins clean. My sink has gone through a lot of mess in these last few days, so. What's this?
What?
Okay, we're playing snowman counting cards. These are not counting clip, but they're with the counting clip. So, what number is this? Oops. What number is this? Okay, what number is this?
That.
This one, what number is? Yeah, good job. Okay, what number is this?
I'm gonna clip it.
Okay, you can clip it. You clip the 8. It's not working. Okay. What number is this?
I'm gonna clip it. I'm gonna clip this one.
Okay, you can clip that one. You can clip with a bigger clip then. Here. Okay. What number is it?
8.
Okay, good job. Clip it. Okay. What number is this one?
Put that put out there.
Oh, okay, okay. What number is this? Good boy. Are you just stretching? Are you stretching? What number is this? Can you see? What number this is? Are you scared of the vacuum? What number is this?
The vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, the robot vacuum is cleaning. Don't worry, he's not coming here. He's cleaning mommy's room. What number is this?
What?
She can hear the robot vacuum and she's like not having it. What number is this? Oh, are you scared? It's okay. It's okay, he's not coming here. Let's do the real counting clips then. I have my little snowman clips. They're the little nutcracker clips I got you in Christmas, and these ones came with like reindeer and Santas. So this is the real counting clip, so she has to pick the icicles. So can you count the icicles? How many are there? How many icicles? Can you see? This one or this one?
This one.
Okay, how many is that?
4.
4. Okay, you want to clip the 4?
The 5.
Clip it. This? 6.
I'm gonna try this.
No, that's not the 4. This is 4. You were right the first time, okay? Now, I do this one for now. What about this one? How many? 2. Okay. Now. Okay, what about this one? How many? You see the icicles? How many?
3.
Okay, can you clip it? Yeah. Good job. Clip it. Good job. Okay, what else? Ooh, you're gonna have to count this one. What about this one? How many is that?
2.
No, you gotta count it.
Hello?
Is that your phone?
Shelly.
You're a jelly goose.